The glass is still laying out there. There it is, totally missing. There we go. Get you a nice, better shot. But there it lays. And it got knocked out last winter when they were plowing snow. And now it's this winter. Guess where it's still laying? On the ground. Yeah, this is where, I'll take you around the other side. But this is where, like a wheelchair would set. Someone handicapped that can get out of the weather a little bit, but not with that panel missing. There's no getting out of the weather. So there's just another video. Take this to your boss, Kelly. We appreciate that.